Alright guys, what's good?
Huh?
I'll third video. I'm obviously naked. Right, let me get you leveled up. Bear with me. Alright. Good morning. Yannicka.
Yeah?
This morning, what's been happening?
We had Jordan visiting us.
Yeah, Jordan visit us. What did he do? He had a look.
He fell off the sofa.
What did he say about the look?
He's very fucking happy. He's never seen me this good.
And what was the plan?
He plans to eat massive breakfast. Which you did.
And to add fat to every meal today. So,
I shaved you.
Yannicka shaved me.
That took about 2 hours.
Yep.
And I got to tell you.
I'm going to do a quick coat of tan after this meal. This is meal 2. Meal 1. Sorry, I'm talking with food in my mouth because it's just keeping you up to date, live. Meal 1 was 220 grams of grits, 20 grams of almond butter, 50 grams of whey. Meal number 2, $200 grams of jasmine rice, 20 grams of almond butter, and some chicken. Anyway, we're going to do this, eat this quick. And then, quickly tan, 1 coat, and then we're going to head over to Dragon's Lair for this Yamamoto event. I have no idea what it entails, but we'll go there and we'll check it out, and I'll bring the camera with me, so I'll see you at the Yamamoto event. What's good, what's good, what's good? We are heading over to Dragon's Lair. Done a little coat of like the base tan, and then this evening at 6 got the tan from Pro Tan themselves. Always like to do a base myself, so it's got something to kind of stick to. Also, I'm very, very white, so I have to tan a lot. There's none on my face, as you can see. Yannicka's just grabbing a couple of drinks from Starbucks down there. Gonna get a little cold brew. 3 meals in today so far. Digestion's okay, but not the best, but it doesn't really matter because today's not show day. The objective today is to make sure we get enough food in that we've got some room to play tomorrow, really. So we've put a few more fats in today. Gonna head over to Dragon's Lair and then head to Whole Foods and just grab some more food, pick up a couple of bits for ourselves, but also a couple of bits for Jordan. I know he wants some salmon and stuff. So not sure what this is when we go over to Dragon's Lair. I have no idea. I don't plan on being there overly long because there's other commitments. We have more tanning later, obviously, like I said, and then we have the athletes meet and greet. So it's going to be a pretty busy evening, so you've got to make sure we eat enough, don't move around too much, stay pretty chilled, and prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow though, hopefully just during the day, it's just a couple of coats of tan or whatever it is. Should be pretty chilled, so that means that should be able to replicate kind of the environment that we had for the Arnold UK, where didn't really have to go nowhere till later in the day and managed to have the feet up, rest, chill, watch some TV, basically just mellow out. That's the plan, really. So other than that, we'll just head over there and see what's going on. You ain't got to act or nothing, dude. You just, I've been sitting in here talking to Flex for like how long?
An hour.
An hour. And then I didn't think to get my camera out to say, look, I'm with your boy. So
you have to change the lens. I look really small in this.
Zoom in a bit, make you look massive. Look at the size of this chap. Fuck. Jesus Christ.
Show me the fucking shit. Fucking mass. Okay, I'm done.
Anyway, honestly, I'm just vlogging shit, so we're just catching up. Fuad was here, he's gone already.
He was right there.
He was in that chair.
And he didn't even film.
James has signed this chair.
I've signed the chair with my arms, 4 arms.
Ali came in and looked at this. Bring it in close. I want people to see this.
Ali, I'm sorry.
Look at this.
Look, fucking hell.
Sure, just give it.
Don't get the angles.
This is now flex cam.
Yeah, flex cam's taking over.
No, I want to just show you guys. So James's arms like this.
Look at that. Looks like well,
There you go.
say what it looks like I've done this brown.
And we had a lot of celebrities that have come in here and they sat right here at this chair.
Not
James
many
comes in for 30 seconds
Make myself at home.
and does this.
Literally making myself home. Anyway, if you want to be fucking inspired, just have a look at the wall. I remember that Beef magazine because I used to collect Beef magazine because I used to be part of the same fucking old school UK BFF gang. So yeah. Anyway, cheers for letting us in the office.
So I don't know why I'm turning into videographer right now, but
yeah. I was.
do you remember this one?
Transfer you some money.
I was like 19 here, James.
Yeah, and you still had to.
I can't.
You guest posed to Dexter not long after.
Yeah.
One of those ones. I remember that magazine cover because I tried to copy that one.
Oh Jesus, too
With
much
the one
shine.
with the reversed cable. My hand's over there.
There's too much shine.
Yeah, man. So yeah, fucking hell. Good times. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate being allowed in this space. The space says a lot. Some cool shit in here. Obviously, look. Multiple fucking Olympiads. If you want to be inspired, guys, get to the Dragon's Lair.
Here's
Have a
a-
workout
here's-
if you're in Vegas.
There's a podcast.
Yeah.
There's a podcast room.
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna give it back to you.
Flex cam. Signing out. Right, so we've just gone into the gym. We've obviously been in the office. We've shown you how rammed it gets. It's pretty fucking busy. Oh, it's Neil. We're back. This is only for my YouTube, Neil.
Ah, sorry. Thank
Yeah.
you for the Christmas card.
No worries.
Ho, ho, ho.
That was courtesy of the young lady here. She always remembers. All right, guys. You're going to meet a couple of friends from Germany now. Please introduce yourselves.
I'm Justin, and we are following this guy since the early days from the JP forum. I promise you, we watched every fucking video this man put out on any content. We love it.
These guys are my European brothers and sisters, and they've come all the way over to, obviously, Vegas to experience the Olympia.
And competed as well yesterday.
And he competed as well yesterday. Actually, how did you go?
8th place in the Open.
Good.
So I'm really happy.
So we've had a successful weekend all around there. And what's plans next?
Huh?
What's plans next? Anything else coming up?
Getting all the workouts here in the Dragon Slayer.
Yeah.
Because like yesterday show day, today workout already in.
Yeah.
Watching the Olympia.
Eating some good Vegas food and cheering up for this guy on the stage on the weekend.
What day are you here until?
Huh?
When are you here until?
Till Tuesday.
Cool.
We put in 10 days.
Excellent. Well, I'm very fortunate to meet these people. They say they're fortunate to meet me. I'm more fortunate to meet them. So I'm going to have a chat with them. I'll see you guys later. Quick stop off, Whole Foods. Sorry, I wasn't filming in there because they get funny sometimes. But anyway, just getting picked up by the Uber. Got a few little top-ups for groceries. In the Dragon's Lair, managed to actually bump into Patrick, and I did say hello. And I'm glad I did because I haven't spoken to him in a long time. So yeah, we said hello, exchanged a few words, respectful men. And we're getting picked up now by this fantastic Uber driver with his nice car. Well, it's very nice. Alright, anyway, see you back at the room.
Oh, this is what I call it.
And yeah.
Does it close?
Right, another food time. Jordan's just left. The reason I haven't been filming with Jordan here is because I'm partly kettle burnt me, fuck. Partly giving him space away from all the socials and stuff because he's my friend and I'm not here to fucking like just film him and put a camera in his face. We're here to like do business, have fun. Not even do business, to be fair. We're having fun. We had some great conversations, talking about some important things. Probably make a little appearance by the end, but we'll wait till we're done with all the, important stuff. I'm just going to eat this large meal. Managed to get his hand on some of this. Yannicka, thankfully, managed to get her hands on some of this baby rice. And I'm going to eat this, and then we're going to head to tanning because I'm still very light. I've already done a little coat today of my own tan with Yannicka earlier. Didn't film that because I thought I'm not really showing you all these little silly things because it's not a cinematic video, it's purely a vlog. As much as I'd love to have done like one of the cinematic ones like I did back in the day with Fit Visuals, it's not that kind of footage. It's more relaxed, like my approach to the show. So yeah, gonna eat this and then we've got to be over there probably about 40 minutes, I think, 50 minutes, which is cool because it's not far, and then we roll straight from there to the meet and greet where I've got some pictures, some 8x10s to give out to the fans. It's weird saying fans because I don't expect to have fans, but I've got some fans apparently. So yeah, so all in all, good day so far. So a little recap, trying to remember what we've done today. Just a little bit of self-tanning ourselves, checked with Jordan, see what we're looking like. Went to the Dragon's Lair, caught up with Flex, took some pictures with a few guys. Whole Foods to get a couple of bits and bobs. Back here, Jordan had another look at me, we had to catch up, eat another meal. I'm on meal number 5 now, and yeah, bought Jordan bananas and he hasn't taken them, but then he'll probably come here and eat them. So we bought Jordan bananas and he hasn't taken them. He's got salmon in the fridge. He's more than welcome to come cook here anyway. Tomorrow, I imagine like he'll come and cook food for tomorrow and stuff tomorrow. Yeah, so that's that for now. Athletes, meet and greet and tanning is tonight's plan. The phone looks different because this is different. The camera, sorry, this is my phone. It looks shit, but I'm just putting together a little bit of an edit for today. Just to show you what I've been up to. I'm smashed, back at the room. Just wanted to say thank you to everybody for coming by and making it a really, really fantastic meet and greet. It was tremendous. I'm blown away. Feel honoured, feel inspired, feel motivated, feel happy. Feel very much content with my life choices because it just confirms that who I am and what I'm doing is a good thing. So I just really appreciate it. It was lovely to see everybody else. Didn't really catch too many people, but I was next to Rami and Nick, and it was nice being with them too. Two absolute gentlemen and incredible bodybuilders. Obviously Nick's parents are fantastic. Really, really love them guys. You know what? Same with Ian's mum, Fiona. Another fantastic lady. I forgot to say because I saw her yesterday. I think it was yesterday when I saw her, and she's amazing. So not only, do you know what? It's funny actually because I kind of just brought a little bit of a tear by my left eye because I was just thinking about like mums, and it's like I'm really fortunate that my friends, you know, they're not my closest friends, but my friends' mothers make an effort and say things that are really nice and say hello and stuff. Because it kind of means a lot when you don't have your own. So I didn't really think of that till now. But so Fiona, Nick Walker's mum and dad, appreciate that. It's very, very nice. So thank you. It goes a long way. It's really appreciated. It's been a great day. Seen a lot of good people. One more meal to go. And then tomorrow it's game day. So we'll do what we got to do. Wake up in the morning, see Jordan, get a tan, and then just, yeah, see what's what. Hope to do everyone proud. You know, I'm doing myself proud, I know that. I deserve to look good if it goes well, because I have tried hard and done my thing, as has everybody in this contest, and they all deserve to look good. So the rest is now down to what it will be, and I shall do my best. And I will say this, the people that are like behind me, truly behind me, let's say, for example, tomorrow didn't go my way, didn't go well, and I didn't look how I wanted to. Don't be a fool and count someone out. Because it's only the last dance when you don't have the balls to come back. You know, whatever happens tomorrow, I'll be back. Obviously, whether I do good or not, I'll be back, because even if I did great tomorrow, I know I can be better. So let me just kind of get that across. So we'll see. The rest will be what the rest will be. So thank you to everybody that tunes in. It is really appreciated, and I'm just very thankful. So good night. God bless. Bring on the Olympia. Shed 2022 edition. Peace.